Welcome back to PromptYES, where we turn vague AI outputs into genius results. Today, we're diving into two powerful techniques that transform how you interact with AI: step-back prompting and asterisk chain of thought, COT. Step-back prompting encourages AI to think critically by starting with broader questions before tackling specific tasks. It helps mitigate biases and ensures deeper reasoning. Example: traditional prompt. Write a story about robots. Step-back prompt. 1. What are key elements of a robot story? 2. How can robots impact daily life? 3. Write a story based on these insights. By guiding AI to explore general principles first, you reduce ambiguity and improve accuracy. Let's see it in action. Chain of thought, COT, prompts AI to explain its reasoning step by step, enhancing clarity and accuracy. It's perfect for complex problem solving. Example: problem. Solve a math puzzle. COT prompt. 1. Break down the problem into steps. 2. Explain each step clearly. 3. Provide the final answer. Whether you're a teacher creating quizzes, a developer fixing bugs, or a marketer crafting ads, these techniques make AI smarter and more reliable. Start small. Experiment with step back and COT in your next project. Remember: step back. Ask broad questions first. COT. Request detailed reasoning. Ready to level up your AI skills? Try step back and COT today. Comment below with your favorite technique or share how you plan to use them. Thanks for watching *PromptYES*. Subscribe for more AI mastery, and don't forget to download our free prompt templates in the link below. We all know the frustration of vague outputs, but by implementing these techniques, you can harness the full potential of AI. Picture yourself tackling any complex project with renewed confidence, knowing you have effective strategies in your toolkit. As you embark on this journey, keep experimenting with both methods, observing what works best in your unique situations. Imagine being a teacher creating quizzes that truly challenge your students' understanding, or a developer debugging a complex code issue with precision. With step-back prompting, you can guide AI to identify the core goals of your tasks first, leading to more tailored and effective results. Alternatively, chain of thought prompts allow for systematic problem solving, fostering a thorough comprehension in every stage. These tools not only enhance AI performance but also sharpen your skill set, whether you're marketing a product, designing a curriculum, or solving intricate puzzles. Embrace these methods, and you'll find yourself not just using AI, but collaborating with it for greater achievements. As you integrate these techniques into your workflow, remember the importance of feedback. Each iteration offers insights into refining your approach, ensuring that your AI interactions become increasingly effective. Whether it's adjusting your questions in step-back prompting or detailing each step within chain of thought, your engagement will shape the quality of the outcomes. This practice fosters a collaborative atmosphere where creativity and critical thinking coexist. The more you explore these methods, the more intuitive they become, transforming your AI experiences into tailored, insightful encounters that drive success in your projects. Encouraging others to share their experiences can foster a supportive community. By exchanging tips and outcomes, users can discover innovative ways to implement these techniques. Through this collaboration, you'll not only improve your own practice but also inspire others to elevate their AI interactions. Remember, each conversation enriches the collective knowledge, paving the way for more robust engagement with AI. So, take the leap and join the discussion. Your insights might just spark a breakthrough for someone else. Incorporating these techniques into your projects will not only streamline your processes but also enhance your creativity and critical thinking skills. By embracing step-back prompting and chain of thought, you're not merely enhancing how you use AI. You're embarking on a transformative journey that can elevate your entire approach to problem solving and creativity. Your commitment to these techniques will pave the way for more effective and innovative outcomes in any endeavor you pursue.